Hello, everyone. This is Audrey Jones with iMarketsLive, IML, and with the Unit of Prosperity team, UOP. And I am so happy right now to be interviewing Justin Frazier. Justin, how are you?
I'm fabulous. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for saying yes. And yes, you are fabulous because you are blowing up this trading. Seriously. So let the audience that's watching know a little bit about you. So tell us all about what you do and who you are.
Well, I am actually a business owner. I would consider myself a serial entrepreneur. I like to find business opportunities and start them. And I currently own a company called Merchant Rescue. That is a business consulting company. I go to business owners and I save them money on their credit card processing, their payroll services, their insurance, website design, advertising, marketing, pretty much anything that they need. I try to meet their needs and save them money. And I make money every month off of their service that I provide. So it may be a little bit here, a little bit there, but that is my goal. So insurance plan or credit card processing, I always try to make a little bit of money every month off of what I sell. I also own a private luxury transportation limo service for high-profile clients. And I'm looking to close that down. And I think I've found something that will allow me to do that. I have a commercial cleaning group. And
wow, you're busy.
Well, like I say, I like to do a lot of things and find opportunities. I have other investments. I flip houses.
Wow.
And I do that with my dad. So, yeah, I like to stay on the edge, always running and gunning. So
well, it sounds like you are. That is definitely the definition of multiple streams of income.
Yes, absolutely. That's what I thrive on. I live for that.
That's awesome. That's awesome. It's always good to have other opportunities in place. And it seems like iMarketsLive isn't just another, avenue for you. How long have you been with IML?
Well, I was introduced to IML from a friend that I've never met in person. Met her on Facebook probably a couple years ago. She introduced me to IML on May the 30th, so 1 month ago.
Okay.
She asked me for some advice saying, I need your expert opinion because she knew that I own a trading company or a training company and I'm very experienced in the stock market. So I said, well, I'll look at it, but steer clear of it because I've been through a lot of these groups and people that say they'll help you make money, but a lot of them, they just want to take money from you.
That's true. That is true.
So she said, well, do me a favor and call in and listen and tell me what you think afterwards. I trust your opinion. So that was when I met Dr. Tanya Callender on that call. And I kid you not, halfway through that call, I had to interrupt and say, I've heard enough. I'm ready to sign up. So
awesome.
I just knew that something was different about this and that the auto trader helping people make money.
Yes.
And I've traded the stock market and options market for 20 years.
Wow.
So I'm well familiar with technical analysis and making money. I made over $1 million before I turned 29.
Wow.
I invested it all in, I invested it all in one company with one guy that I met, and he was the nicest guy that ever conned me out of everything I had.
Ooh, wow.
So he's in prison now, but I had to start over from scratch. And I had never known how the Forex market worked, but I wanted to learn. And so when she told me, I said, okay, well, I'll give this call a shot. And that was where I met Dr. Tanya Callender and was sold on this opportunity. And so for 3 weeks, I was traveling on business and had too many things going on, so I didn't have time to do anything. And then on June 21st, my account went live. I had put some money in the account, and I started trading the morning of June 21st. And that was last week, Wednesday. everything went ballistic from there.
Wow. Wow. Well, what a compelling story you have. I mean, now I understand why you had a hesitation. But, the funny thing is someone invited you to listen to the call so you can give them advice. And you were like, wait a minute, where do I sign up? So that is absolutely phenomenal. So, I mean, that's great. So you just, say that.
Oh, sorry. I guess there's a lag in the call. But yeah, I was saying, I'm always looking for an opportunity to help myself make money and to find opportunities for others because I love to help people. And so when I heard that call and saying, wow, I could really help a lot of people, my family,
right.
My extended family, friends that I've helped along the way, we've made money and lost money in the stock market. And I said, this could be it.
Right.
And little did I know how much that would be the case.
Yeah, I mean, I've been watching you, and you just went live last week. And I'm like blown away because you posted one of your profits, and it was like close to, and correct me if I'm wrong, $6,000?
Correct. I had made that between Wednesday morning and Friday afternoon. I made, I had two accounts. I had set two accounts up. And so I made about $10,000 between Wednesday morning and Friday afternoon. And then Sunday night, after the market opened from 4 p.m. till about midnight, I'd made $20,000.
Whoa. And this is all, and this is all in the same week, 2 days? Was it, you did that in 2 days?
The market is closed from Friday at 3 p.m., unfortunately, until Sunday at 4 p.m., which allowed me to sleep a little bit because I didn't sleep really between Wednesday morning and Friday afternoon because I was so awakened in my whole being was just set on fire for this because I couldn't believe. And I'll tell you why, because in the stock market, you have to have $25,000 in your account to be able to buy and sell, enter and exit multiple times. With the Forex market, you only need $100 or $25 and you can make multiple entries. And so it makes it so much easier. And the stock market is $52 billion a year traded, whereas the Forex market is $5 trillion a day, which makes it so liquid and easier to get in and out. And the spread on the buy and sell is in thousandths of a penny. Right. So, yes.
Yeah, it is amazing.
Sunday, when the market opened until Sunday night, I had made an additional $20,000. Wow.
Wow, Justin. Woo! I know people are listening. They're going to listen to this and they're going to be like, wow, unbelievable. I'm going to tell you, I have seen it with my own eyes.
Yes.
And when you posted, I was like, huh? That is like absolutely phenomenal. And like when you know that you are in control of your income and you can make it anytime, you will lose sleep because you're like, you know what? I think I'm gonna go in and make me another extra $1,000. This is so real. It's so real. And I'm glad that we're doing this interview because you're helping other people realize the reality of this and how they can free themselves financially. So we are just so excited to have you on the team, and you are absolutely killing it. You are killing it, Justin. So
here's the thing.
I'm sorry.
Here's the thing. I do have an unfair advantage being that I've traded for 20 years, but the beauty of IML is that they have master traders that help individuals that don't have time like me. I didn't have time. I'm a very busy man, and I have friends that are business owners or they work 9 to 5. They don't have much time. They've got kids.
Right.
And this opportunity allows them to make money because the master traders are trading and helping them make a little bit every day.
Yes.
But if they learn this skill set, they could end up retiring, resigning from their employment and making much more money every day, like I did. Now, I will say that on Sunday night, I did take a little bit of a hit when I was trading because
Uh-huh.
I didn't do stop losses, and I got the big head and I started trading bigger, and I didn't use the strategies. And
Uh-huh.
so I took a couple of losses, and then I bounced back and made some money back again. But I said, wow, I am really impressed by these guys that are doing the master trading because
Yes.
they employ protective measures at a very conservative level, and
Right.
it just keeps people's accounts growing.
Mm-hmm.
So you can make a lot of money if you learn the strategies and you do what you're supposed to, and you can watch these master traders just do miracles for you.
Right, exactly. So you said you had experience before, so you were able to transfer that experience over into this market, which is
Yes.
absolutely excellent. And then for those who do not have the experience, because you don't need experience, we have the IML Academy that can teach
Yes.
you how to trade. And like you said, they could take advantage of the fusion traders and let the
Right.
experts trade for them. So there's so many
Correct.
opportunities to make the money and to learn while you're, to earn money while you're trading, learning how to trade. So
Correct.
it's absolutely phenomenal. So
Yes.
can you share like what your strategy is?
Well, when I first got in, I believe I had 38 winning trades in a row because I understand how to read charts and directional trading where they go up and down. And so I was scalping in and out, but I wasn't protecting myself with stop losses. So I was just getting lucky every single trade that I made. Well,
Wow.
after I took a loss on Sunday night, I started doing the strategy that works the most for me, and that's called hedging, where you place a buy and a sell at the same time and you wait for a trend to develop. Once the trend develops, then you make another entry based on whether it's going up, you do a buy, or if it's coming down, you do a sell, and then you close it after a short time period. That could be 20 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes. So I do what's called scalping, and I'll make anywhere between $2 to $200 in a very short time frame.
Awesome.
And the thing is, you've got to hedge your trade because it's so liquid, and the banks control big amounts of money, so they can drop that value real quickly in a very short period of time. In 20 seconds, it can drop very far, way down. And if you are watching and you're hedged, you'll see it go way down, and you make a buy order, and you'll ride that wave all the way back up because it usually returns to where it came from, and you make a quick profit on the scalp watching them.
Well, you are definitely riding the waves. I'm telling you, because your sea is definitely blue, and we love blue. Blue, blue, blue. Blue means profit.
Yes, it does, and I like that word.
So, there's something else that you did not share with us that I want you to share with everyone. Something awesome happened to you fairly quickly too. Didn't you rank up?
Well, yes. Because I'm a very enthusiastic person, and I have a lot of people that they value my word, I'm very honest. And when I started sharing this, people were coming out of the woodwork saying, hey, I need help. I'm interested. What is this all about? So I started posting on Facebook, and I kid you not, I have over 100 messages and people that I've been communicating with. And I believe probably about 15 to 20 signed up from Wednesday to Saturday.
Wow.
15 people signed up pretty quickly.
Wow.
And then this week that just passed, I signed up several more. And
that's awesome.
They just keep coming. Some are on the fence. Some are waiting till they got paid July 1st, which is today. So they will be signing up probably Monday or Tuesday. And I believe I'll have about 50 people sign up. Yeah, within 10 days of me signing on to do the trading. I know I signed up in May, on May the 30th, but I didn't really get going until June 21st. And I wish that I would have started on May 30th, the day that I signed up.
That's okay. That's okay. That's all right, because you're still doing it, and you're doing it quickly too.
Yes.
I mean, because you're getting paid with the trading, and then you're getting paid, when you rank up. So those residual payments, that's phenomenal. So what's your rank position currently?
600, and I'm probably a few members from 1,000.
Wow.
But, you know, when I did share with people, this is where I had to slow down a little bit. I would share with people that they could actually make residual income by sharing with others. And that ran people off. It would have run me off, Audrey, if I would have been presented that in the beginning.
Right.
I would have said, no, I'm not interested. And I have friends that they have not talked to me since when I shared that. So I said, listen, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to talk to people. You don't need inventory. You don't have to sell anything to anybody. You can just sign up, put some money in your trading account, and the master traders will start making you money right away. And you'll pay for your enrollment fee. You'll pay for your monthly fee that's required for them to do trading on your behalf and make you money. You will come away every month with a profit. Optimus Prime is killing it. He's killing it.
Yes, he is. Yes.
So they don't have to do anything but sit back and watch him do the work.
That's right.
But if they want to make some extra money, sure, start telling people about it. Show people what you're making. They're going to come on board. And they're going to say, wow, thank you for introducing me to this. Like I told Guinevere and Dr. Tanya, thank you, ladies, for showing me this program and explaining it to me and helping. I didn't know what a PIP was until last week, Sunday, 1 week ago. And that was 4 days after I started trading and had made over $12,000. Then I learned what a PIP was.
So you look at that. You came in, you made money, and then you learned. So, I mean, this is something that you can easily do if you come in and not know what you're doing, which is absolutely phenomenal. You can't find that anywhere, you know, so that is absolutely wonderful. I mean, you are doing such an awesome job, and everyone is just congratulating you on all that you're doing, you know, in the Unit of Prosperity community, which is another place where everyone is helping everyone. You know,
and that's the thing. I love helping people. And I mean, when I started in the chat rooms with people, they all welcomed me, and everybody was so friendly and welcoming. They congratulated you whenever you had success or you had something to share. A lot of people still are learning, and they found out that I knew what I was talking about when I'd make little charts and show them what I'm doing, because they would ask me. So I am glad to share my experience and help people. And here's the thing. Who doesn't want to make a little extra money? That's why this is so easy and so phenomenal that I said, this is it. I'm home. I don't have to do anything else.
That's right.
But say, come on, let's get going. Make some money on the side. There's nothing to it. There's
nothing to it but to do it. Right, Justin? And like you said, you don't have to recruit. You know, people like you said, people get they run when they say, oh, you know, you share it with people, tell people you recruit. But all you're doing is sharing the experience, and then it people interest, you know?
That's right.
So let me ask you this before we go. Well, before I even say that, because you are blowing up so largely right now. I am so looking forward to you maybe calling some signals, doing some training maybe for the UOP team, but we'll see. We'll see what the future holds, right? So do you have any tips for anyone or any advice for someone who may be watching this video and they're contemplating whether this is something they should do or not?
Oh, absolutely. Scared money doesn't make any money, and fortune favors the bold. If you want to do anything, you got to put your money where your mouth is. You've got to step out and take a little chance every now and then. Do you know how much it costs to get started? $750. And that's $240 roughly that will enroll you into iMarketsLive to be able to let the master trader work for you and be able to access their training materials, their apps. And then the rest of it is your money that goes in your brokerage account. And they start trading that. So that's about $500. And they will start making you money. So you're really only risking about $240 to pay for the program. And they'll make that back for you within a month. I've seen it happen. And I don't see any other way, if you want to make any money, than to join this opportunity. It's unbelievable.
It is unbelievable. It is definitely real, and it is happening to so many people. So Justin, I want to thank you so much. Your story is absolutely phenomenal. you know, going from, you know, millionaire status, losing money, then coming over here and making money within a short period of time. I mean, like I said, I had to like do this when I saw $6,000 in one day. I'm like, whoa, I need to interview this guy.
Right.
I mean, you are absolutely
Right. Well, I have a lot of
job.
Thank you. I have a lot of friends that are missionaries and ministers all over the world, and I've told them from 20 years ago, I said, I may not be called to the mission field, but I tell you what, I believe that God's going to bless me to be a kingdom financier. He's going to show me witty inventions or creative ways to make money, and I'm going to fund these people to go all over the world and share the good news of Jesus Christ. And
Amen.
That is my mission, and I believe IML is the vehicle that I'm about to jump on board and ride that all the way to whatever his will and purpose is for my life.
I am so excited for you. I really am. That is absolutely awesome and so wonderful that you want to help so many people, because that is what it's all about. And knowing that IML is that vehicle that can help so many people get to where they want to be. So I am looking forward to seeing you advance even higher in this business, because I know that you are absolutely going to blow up, because you've already done it, and it's only been a week. It's only been a week. So congratulations to you once again on your profits and your rank and your success. You are doing a phenomenal job. So thank you so much for, you know, interviewing with me. I really, really appreciate everything that you are doing. And for those who are watching this video, please, if someone referred you to watch it, get back to that person and join IML and be a part of the Unit of Prosperity team, because it is absolutely phenomenal, and we will help you along the way. Justin is agreeing. He's shaking his head. Yes, yes, yes. And that's exactly what you should be saying right now. Yes, I will join IML. Yes, I will join the UOP family. So thank you so much for watching. Justin, you have a wonderful, wonderful evening. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you on the inside.
All right. Thank you. Take care.